Hey yo, welcome back. So today we're going to be doing a real simple cook. This is Pickles Barbecue. I'm going to be doing a tri-tip, which I love tri-tip. Absolutely. We're going to put that on the Old Smokey. It's spring, it's warm. Fantastic. Perfect time to get out and grill. In the meantime, go ahead and take a look at this channel. Rivet Gardener, he sent me a cookbook. Fantastic recipes. I'll leave a link down to his channel below. So stay tuned. Let's get started. Hey yo, welcome back to Pickles Barbecue. Today what we're going to be doing is tri-tip on the Old Smokey. I love my Old Smokey and I love tri-tip. So this is a perfect combination. We're going to go ahead and use Worcestershire as a binder. All I want is to lay down a little bit of Worcestershire on all sides of the tri-tip before we put our spices on so they stick onto it. And I'm going to use a little bit of salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, cayenne, paprika mix. And I'm going to use Kent Van Weird's own custom spice. You just want to use whatever rub you want and coat it liberally. All right, y'all, now that we got our steak seasoned up, we're going to go ahead and switch over to the asparagus a little bit. So what you want to do is take your asparagus and break off the ends. And you'll find where it breaks evenly. So you can hear as it kind of snaps at the end. They'll have like a perfect snapping point. A lot of people chop them down. I tend to break them down. Go ahead and lay in some tin foil and put on our spices. So we've got cayenne pepper. Add as much as you want. If you don't want to add that, you don't have to. Next up, I've got hickory smoked salt that I did. So that's my own version of hickory smoked salt. Otherwise, you can just add normal kosher salt too. Looking good already. Then we want to add some smoked paprika. I do love paprika on asparagus. It's really good. Gives a nice smoky flavor. A little bit of olive oil, just kind of drizzled all over the top. And last but not least, we have garlic powder. Once again, do the same thing. Add as much as you want. You can add a little or a lot. I love garlic powder on top of that too. Added a couple of pats of butter, and we're good to go. So we're gonna make up a quick sauce too. It's about a tablespoon of rice vinegar, tablespoon of sesame oil, tablespoon of hot chili sauce. You can use whatever you want. And a couple of tablespoons of soy sauce. We're gonna drip that over, and there's our fire again. I never get tired of this. Beautiful. I'm gonna go ahead and throw the tri-tip on. And we're looking to keep it away from the coals. We're gonna do an indirect, and then we're gonna sear it once it hits about 120, 125 or so. Yeah, let's see what we got for temperature. Yep, time to sear it up, and we're good to go. Catch y'all back. There's the asparagus that I put on. Just wrapped it up in tin foil. Catch y'all back. Hey y'all, so welcome back. Now it's time for the taste test. And it was pretty quick. So smoking a tri-tip is real easy, and they're real good food too. Let's go ahead and dive into it and see how we did. Like the cut on the bias. A little bit more medium than I'd hoped. But it should be more medium rare on the inside. Let's give it a taste. Actually, it's not too bad. Let's give it a taste. These rubs smell fantastic. And they're fantastic. It's so good. Pickles barbecue out.